All right, this is how you do your motor treatment with Seafoam. Make sure that it's the motor treatment kind. What you're gonna wanna do is get yourself a little hose. You're going to take off a place that sucks in air. So for the Volkswagen Tiguan I have here, I actually took off this sensor right down here, so there's a little hole that's open now. I put a little tape around this so that it would get a nice good seal, which I need to redo. I stuck that in there, started the car, and then I'll be sucking the gas. You want a steady stream of fuel going through this. Nothing crazy, just nice sucking action, just almost like a mist. You'll be using probably a quarter of this, maybe a half. Turn your car off, let it sit for a couple minutes, and get in it and drive it. Rev it up. You'll see a lot of the white smoke coming out of the back. Do this twice. You should be good. You'll use about half a canister. Thanks for watching.